Yes, my wonderful people. Welcome to J Progress Entertainment again. And guys, I take you all the way into Canada right now. Of a closely knitted Jamaican family in Canada right now, mourning the death of the 61-year-old relative who received multiple can after him go have a domino game with him friend them after a football match. My people, this Jamaican Canadian man has been living in Canada for well over 30 years. And his life just gets snapped like that around a domino table, playing domino with his friends. People, we are going to jump into the story right now without any further ado. The Toronto Police Service has identified the Jamaican Canadian man who was shot and killed while playing a game of domino with his friends at approximately 10:53 p.m. in the parking lot of North Albion Collegiate Institute on Sunday. Right? The 61-year-old has been named as Uncle George. So we are going to call him. We not give out all our name. People, sometimes for a man left Jamaica, which is so violent, and go to another country, sometimes we feel so we safe too, but anyway in the world you go, the youths them and a lot of people feel like say life is just there for the taking. And unfortunately, in this sad situation, this is what happened to this 61-year-old man, Uncle George. The site of the shooting is near Kipling Avenue and Mount Olive Drive, just north of Finch Avenue West in Northwest Toronto. Parks is originally from St. Anne in Jamaica, but was living in Canada for the past 30 years. So a long time this man there in Canada, right? But was living in Canada for the past 30 years, the people them say, right? In updating their investigation, the police said in a news release, said a group of men were gathered in the parking lot area after a soccer game. Because they said this man loving football. Big supporter of the Premier League and everything. You don't know them big man they were try keep themselves fit. You know them always a try keep themselves fit. So them still play them football, them get together with them friends them and them play them domino. Because anybody who they are foreign know foreign go already. Foreign can be a very depressing place. Foreign is not really the paradise like Jamaica. Foreign can be very depressing. So, ever so often, you have to knock it with the one and two little Jamaican them who bring back the culture where you know and stuff. The good one them can be always tell you know. It's not always good to mix up with too much Jamaican all the while. But you have some real Jamaican where no in no foolishness. Them they are foreign and they on the grind and they do the right thing. So, them way they different. And it come like say this was the situation with the man. Yeah. Them play them football and then them go hang out and play them domino as a big man, as a Jamaican. Right? People, it turn out that while they were there in the parking lot playing the domino, where they gathered all the time to play them domino, and so happened that after this soccer game, a dark pickup truck drove up. Right? Nobody know to pre-war go on. Because probably them are big man, probably them ain't nothing or nothing. You understand? Them just have them go play them football and just have two domino game. But this dark pickup truck drove up my people. Two suspects alighted from the vehicle and shot at the group of men before fleeing the area in the truck. According to some media reports, upwards of 50 shots were fired at the group. Why? I could have what really make them did want to get out this a group of people, yeah, so. Was there somebody in the group who have something with other people and never tell them and them? Eh? What could have really go on? Because if you pick up truck, drive up on you so, pan that particular group, like them know so no did it. After the soccer game, they like them know what go on. Did something happen in the soccer game? What really happened? Make a pickup truck can roll up on the spot where them know no are there and walk upwards to 50 can. pan the group of elders a play domino. That's serious. When responding officers arrive on the scene, right? They located 5 wounded victims and all were transported to the hospital where Uncle George of a Woodstock address succumbed to his injuries. The 4 remaining victims have life-altering and non-life-threatening injuries. The police said in the update and the homicide. Boy, oh boy. The police are appealing for anyone with information that can assist their investigation to come forward. Meanwhile, the family is plunged into deep mourning. For your father, a husband, a elder, a community player. You understand me I say? Just gone like that. What could have cost this in Canada? The other day, I give you no news about this Jamaican lady in a Bronx who somebody just come up on her and slash her throat in the middle of the street and left her right there. She's no longer among the land of the living. And here we are again, people, of a 61-year-old elder. Him and him friend them did play domino after a football match. And this is what happened, me people. Why? It is with profound sadness that we announce the tragic and untimely passing of my beloved father, Uncle George, who many you knew as Uncle George. A GoFundMe post organized by Ladin. She said her father and his friends had been going to the area to hang out and gather for years. Because we know see a routine that I tell you about foreign. When you find your closely knitted, real Jamaican friend them in a foreign. Some real article people with no bad mind, with no corrupt, with no nothing. Them dip on the grind, working class people, them have them family, settle down and do the right thing, no mix up in a bangarang and them something there. When you no find them close knitted type of Jamaican there in any foreign country you no go. You build a long banding relationship. And you always hang out and wall of vibes. And you hear what in data say, here's them a do this. Play them football and gather in the area there, so play them domino and something. My life is taken away. Our life is taken away. She shared that as her husband laid bleeding to DEATH, one of his friends called her on a cell phone and held it up to the husband. All I could hear in the background was mourning. He was assassinated. Let's face it, he was assassinated. So it come like say, somebody put out a hit for Uncle George, based on what the wife has say. The wife demanded justice for her husband, an innocent victim who was shot after finishing a friendly game of soccer with his friends. Damn right, I want justice. Our world is gone. The daughter say her life gone, so you don't have to ask if he's a good father. And the wife say our world just get destroyed. So you don't have to ask what kind of man this is. He's a family man. He must be a good role model. Jaja know. Jaden wanted to know why someone would kill her dad. My dad was so genuine and nice, she said. But tell you what, it's the nice people them get taken away from this world. And you see the one them who live and I do beer things. I do beer things and I take other people 3 pints and something. Them still they are run up and down free and loose. And the good people them die young. I felt like my old world was gone, she added. My dad was my world. He was my best friend next to my mom. So me I tell you no, you now have to ask if that brother is a good family man, father, provide for him family, dear for him family, support him family. Me people, Jaja know. The well-spoken 23-year-old said she just earned a degree in social work at Toronto Metropolitan University as the first in her family to graduate from a university. Jaden told reporters she was looking forward to seeing her mom and dad. On Monday, a huge grouping of police markers could be seen on the sidewalk leading up to an area where the men were shot. The daughter said her dad called it the headquarters because her ears them did this gather easy. Is home away from home for the past 30 years, where Jamaicans socialize at barbecues and play dominoes and soccer. Her father, an avid soccer player and a big fan of the English Premier League team, Arsenal, arrived in Canada more than 30 years ago. She said he was proud of his family, wife, children, and grandchildren, and his hard-working home of Canada. A police command post where officers spend much of the day talking to community members has been set up near the location of the shooting. This man was an avid community man then. You know, people know him as a good person, but guess what? Boy, good person always get the bitter end of the stick all the while. A GoFundMe page has been set up to cover the costs of the funeral. June 15 funeral had raised just under $5,000 by early Tuesday evening. So people has been supporting. So you not have to ask. People, me I tell you, sometimes no matter where you run going in life, sometimes the judgment still reach you. It still reach you. But it make you wonder if this headquarter, this Jamaica headquarter where the Jamaicans them gather, have barbecue, play football and domino. Wonder if somebody from the headquarters in a something with somebody which cause a pickup truck to drive up at the headquarters and walk upwards to 50 shots upon a group of men playing domino. Something is not right. People, I will follow on to this story and I will come back to you guys if I am provided with any additional information on this, guys. Until then, people, stay safe. Anywhere in the world, they want to stay safe and walk more eyes them and look out on 60 them. You hear me I say? Believe me, people, no way at all no safe nowadays. The whole world come like is a problem. Anywhere you go, you can't dark. Believe. 1J Progress Entertainment, me people. Believe no man. You not have to ask nobody nothing. And nobody not have to tell you nothing. A 1J Progress Entertainment. Me people, you guys have gotten me this far. 31.1k YouTube subscriber. People, trust me, I am so grateful, me can't even explain. We are now on the road to 35,000 YouTube subscriber, people. When you hear me exaggerate on a number because that's so me feel good. 35,000 YouTube subscriber we on the way to. And then we continue to tread on from there. Because guys, like I always say, you have gotten me this far. And I trust you guys to take me even much further. Believe 1J Progress Entertainment and no other.